We'll guide you through how to fix Find My Location grayed out on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The option being grayed out and unavailable can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and adjust it to your liking. So we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and fix this. So if we go and open up our settings here, we can go and tap on it at the top. You may find at this stage that Find My is grayed out, or you may find it's when you go and tap Find My iPhone that it's then grayed out. So we've got some different fixes you can try. So first of all, we want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for screen time. Tap there. Next, you want to go and scroll down, find the option for content and privacy restrictions and tap there. From here, you need to go and find the option for location services. In here, you want to make sure this is set to allow changes. Alternatively, you can just go and completely turn off content and privacy restrictions. It's important to note that when you go and change this setting, you do need to go and enter in the screen time passcode. At the moment, this hasn't got one set, but if it was, you would need to go and have that entered. Go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, the next fix you want to try doing is going down and you need to go and find the option for Face ID and passcode. Here, you'll need to go and enter in your iPhone passcode. Go and scroll down and go and find the option for stolen device protection, and you want to go and switch this off. There may be a delay here which you need to go and wait for. In this case, there isn't. Then we can come back and you want to go and see if you're now able to go and change the setting. Hopefully you are, and that's it. If you still can't, I recommend restarting the settings app. Swipe up on it like so, and then you can open it again, and hopefully you now can. Another thing you can try doing is a forced restart as well, just to refresh things. Press the volume increase, decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep the side power button held down until you go and see the Apple icon. In between that, your phone screen will go black and then it'll come back on. And then hopefully you'll be able to go and change the setting, and that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again. Thank you so much for watching and look forward to help you again soon.